guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about my favorite lip colors for the fall season or the year-end season. Now, these are a little bit on the darker side and I really like them. I hope you do too. So let's get started. So before applying any liquid lipstick, you need to prep your lips. So I use the Pout It by Indulge Essentials. This is a lip oil. It's really easy to use or carry. You just need to pump it up and then take a generous amount. Or you could use a lip balm or a lip cream. This is by Forest Essentials. This is my second favorite. So yeah, let's dive into the colors. So the first lip shade is an oldie but goldie. I got it when Kylie Cosmetics was launched and this has been my favorite shade of her collection. So it's a lip kit. So it comes with a lip liner and the liquid lipstick. Let's try it on. I'm going to first line my lips a little. Now I'm going to fill in the color. So this is the shade. It's towards the berry or the dark wine shade. I really like it. If you keep your eyes and makeup nude, I think you're ready to go. So the next shade is by Huda Beauty in the shade Famous. It's a nice ox blood red kind of a shade. It's perfect for the shadi season or a dinner date. So let's try it on. I think this shade is perfect for the shadi season or the party season. So the next lip shade is towards the brown side. This one is by Kat Von D in the shade Hawk Kind. So yeah, let's try it. So it's a nice mauvey brown kind of shade. It's a little different than the usual and I like to wear it during the daytime and it looks super nice. So I had to include a nude shade in my top 5 fall lip shades because I tend to wear a lot of nude lipsticks and this one is my purchase from earlier this year when I had gone to Singapore. It's the Fenty Beauty Uncuffed. If you check my Instagram, the only lip shade that I've been wearing is this one. I really love the formula. It's easy to glide and stays put for a real long time. So let's try it. So here we go. This is my everyday shade. Since it's Christmas, I wanted to include a nice pop of red. And this shade is also by Fenty Beauty. It's in the shade Uncensored and it's really special to me because I wore this shade for my wedding fairas. I really wanted this lip shade before my wedding because I knew that I wanted to wear a red lip for my wedding and I ordered it online through an Instagram store named Royalicious. So yeah, I love the shade, I love how it looks and it's super easy to glide. If you want to invest in a high-end liquid lipstick, I suggest you either go for Fenty Beauty liquid lipsticks or the Huda Beauty ones. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you're using any of the shades or brands, mention it in the comments below and let me know. Wish you a very happy festive season and I'll see you next time.